Okay, let's do another example of solving for an angle theta where there is a little bit of simplification first. So in this problem, we want to get tan theta alone. So we'll just divide both sides of this equation by 3 to get that tan theta is equal to a negative root 3 over 3. So the strategy here is the same. Let's ask ourselves, where is tan negative? Using our cast rule as the reminder. This tells us that tan is positive in angles 3 and 1, and therefore negative in quadrants 2 and 4. So we're working with either this angle, theta, or this angle, theta. Okay, so again, to find any angle in quadrant 2, given a reference angle, we know that we can use 180 degrees minus that angle, or that angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the reference angle. In quadrant 3, or we're down in quadrant 4 now, we know that a reference angle in quadrant 4 would be equal to 360 degrees minus theta. So theta would be equal to 360 degrees minus the reference angle. Okay, so we want to use a reference angle, a positive reference angle. So we'll just drop that negative sign. And now you'll have to consult, again, your special triangles or your table, however you've memorized all of these angles, or simply just plug in the square root of 3 divided by 3 into your calculator and take the inverse tan of that. Either way, whether you have them memorized or you solve it on your calculator, you get that reference angle here is 30 degrees. So we'll go back now to solving for an angle in quadrant 2 and say theta is equal to 180 degrees minus our reference angle, which is 180 degrees minus 30, gives us an angle of 150 degrees. And then in quadrant 4, we have theta is equal to 360 degrees minus the reference angle, which is going to give us 330 degrees. For a final answer of theta is either 150 degrees or 330 degrees, just like that.